Hi, this is Lindsay from The Homey Life, and today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious, easy sourdough discard crepes. If you have a lot of eggs, this is a great recipe to use with a lot of eggs. It's high in protein and fats as well, so it makes it a pretty healthy breakfast. And I'll show you how you can do it with savory, ham and cheese, or you can do it sweet. Let's get started. This is a pretty simple recipe, and for this recipe, you're just going to need 8 eggs. Mine are generally around the medium-sized eggs. And then you'll be adding in 1 cup of sourdough discard, or it could be active sourdough starter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of sea salt, and then give it a really good mix. Afterwards, you're going to want to add in about half a cup of melted butter and mix that through really well as well. On a medium preheated pan that's already been buttered, you're going to want to add about a 1/4 cup of your mixture. And as you can see, I'm just kind of going from side to side, so it's a nice thin base. Let it cook for about a minute on one side, and then you're going to be flipping that over, and you're going to let it cook for another minute on the other side. And that is really it. That's how easy it is to make a crepe. Put it on a plate, and that's 1 crepe done. This recipe will make about 10 medium-sized crepes. And now it's just for the filling. You add whatever filling that you desire. So I love for like a sweet one, I'll do cream cheese with banana and some honey. Sometimes we'll do chocolate whipped cream with banana in it, or any kind of fruit. And whatever flavors you really like, you can just put in it, wrap it up, put more things on top if you desire, and enjoy. We also do a delicious savory one, which has ham and cheese inside, which is so good. So this does not have to just be a breakfast option. You can actually have this as a savory breakfast or as a lunch option too, with chicken and cheese or ham and cheese, bacon and cheese, whatever you like. It's like a little wrap. So I just do that as well, and we eat it all kinds of different ways. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Follow along for more sourdough and homemaking recipes. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you again in my next video. Have a good day.